Hey everyone, warm welcome to English Speaking Mate. I'm Sam, your friendly English learning coach, here to make this journey simple, fun, and energizing. Today we are talking about how to learn English effectively, and I'll show you a clear, energizing path so you stop feeling stuck and start speaking with confidence. Curious? Stick with me for a plan you can use today. Why this matters: English opens doors, better job chances, smoother travel, more content you can enjoy, and the ability to connect with people worldwide. Without a clear way to learn, many learners struggle with feeling stuck in the beginner loop, studying but not improving, nervousness in real conversations, not knowing what to practice next. Relatable situation: imagine preparing for a job interview, and your ideas are solid but nerves make your sentences short and halting. That gap between what you know and what you can say is exactly what a good learning routine fixes. Quick logical explanation: deliberate practice plus exposure is equal to skill improvement. Practicing targeted skills repeatedly strengthens vocabulary, grammar recall, and speaking fluency. A quick, true-to-life moment: a student I worked with used to memorize lists of words every night but still froze when ordering coffee abroad. One tiny change, speaking a 1-minute summary of their day out loud each morning, made them noticeably smoother in 2 weeks. They laughed at how small the step felt, but it gave them the muscle memory and confidence to use English in real time. Step 1. Set a clear, tiny goal, 30 days. Pick one specific outcome. I will speak a 60-second introduction about myself without stopping. Tiny, measurable goals convert vague wishes into action. Why it works: short, specific goals prevent overwhelm and make progress visible. Objection: but big goals matter. Counter: big goals need to be broken into small steps to be achievable. Step 2. Daily micro-practice, 10 to 20 minutes. Break practice into 3 mini-blocks. 5 minutes, active listening, a short podcast, clip, or song. Focus on one sentence. 5 to 10 minutes, shadowing or repeating aloud what you heard, says the sentence after the speaker. 5 minutes, self-speech, describe one thing you did or plan to do in English. Logical reason: frequent, short repetitions build neural pathways without burning you out. Objection: I don't have time. Counter: micro-practice fits a busy day and is more consistent than long, rare sessions. Step 3. Vocabulary with purpose, not lists. Learn 5 to 10 words per week tied to a theme, example, coffee shop or job interview. Use each new word in a sentence you actually would say. Keep a single notebook or phone note with those sentences. Why words stick when meaning plus use plus context are combined. Information not fully available if you need exact word frequency lists, but this method is robust. Grammar as a tool, not a prison. Focus on the few grammar patterns that let you say the most: present simple versus past simple, present perfect basics, and a couple of modal verbs: can, should, will. Practice them in short, real sentences rather than abstract rules. Reasoning: mastering a few patterns gives immediate communicative power. Objection: grammar is boring. Counter: practice through speaking and stories to make it alive. Step 5. Speaking practice, safe, regular, social. Find a language partner or tutor for at least one short session per week. Use voice notes to practice, record, listen, and improve. Join themed conversation groups or apps for low-pressure chats. Why? Production: speaking accelerates fluency, feedback corrects habits. Objection: I am shy. Counter: Start with voice notes or one-on-one exchanges, build up gradually. Step 6. Build comprehension naturally. Input that excites you. Choose shows, podcasts, or articles you actually enjoy. Use subtitles or transcripts at first, then rewatch or re-listen without them. Logical explanation, motivated input increases time spent in English, which leads to passive vocabulary becoming active. Step 7. Measure and tweak weekly. At the end of each week, try your 60-second self-intro or another tiny goal. Record it and note one improvement and one area to focus on next week. Why? Regular measurement shows progress and points to the next practice target. Objection: I don't want to listen to myself. Counter: it's the fastest way to notice real improvement. Step 8. Keep motivation with variety and rewards. Mix music, short stories, games, and real chats. Celebrate small wins, a coffee in a new language, a successful message, a cleaner pronunciation. Rewards keep the loop positive. Extra tips, quick hits. Use chunking, learn useful phrases, not single words. Replace the inner critic. If you notice negative thoughts, say, "That was practice, I'll get better and try again." Focus on communication, not perfection. Mistakes are how you learn. Wrap up encouragement, short motivational close. Learning English is a marathon of tiny sprints. Small, consistent steps compound into real fluency, and you will be surprised how quickly confidence grows when you practice the right way. Main objections addressed. It's too slow. Real progress is steady, tiny daily actions beat rare big pushes. I'll never be perfect. Perfection isn't the goal. Clear communication and confidence are. I don't know where to start. Start with one small, measurable goal today. Final call to action, simple. Today, pick one tiny goal, 60-second intro or 5 new themed words. Do 10 minutes of micro practice. Record one voice note and listen. Repeat tomorrow. Based on verified facts, the correct conclusion is focused, daily, purposeful practice with speaking and meaningful input is the fastest, most reliable path to real improvement in English.